Say hello to Infinite Chicago, a cozy student haven that's the perfect retreat from the buzz of vibrant Chicago. Choose from spacious studios and charming 1 to 4 bedroom apartments, featuring a warm bed, steps away from your ideal study nook for midnight cramming sessions, a microwave, and a dishwasher for easy cleanup. Plus, with Wi-Fi and cable included in your rent, enjoy a world of entertainment on the in-home TV. Smash intense workouts at the Premium Fitness Center, open 24/7, then head to the landscaped rooftop oasis for some downtime under the stars. Over the weekend, fire up the gas grills and enjoy delicious barbecue. Live life that is breezier than ever with round-the-clock security, 24/7 health center, electronic key fob entry, and a bicycle storage room. Here's the best part. Campus at School of the Art Institute of Chicago and Roosevelt University is a sweet stroll away. Hop on a bus from State and Jackson or catch the subway from Jackson Station and explore the city seamlessly. So, grab your spot at Infinite Chicago, Chicago today through amberstudent.com.